Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can see from the title, I've got another home bargains haul for you. So let's get straight on. The first item that I picked up was some more disinfectant. I was just running out of mine. I just feel like it's so important to have it in, especially with everything that's going on. So I picked up this really pretty looking Fabulosa one. It's in the scent daisy chain. It smells absolutely amazing. It's not too overpowering. It's just a really beautiful fragrance. And I like them because they're kind of ready to go, aren't they? I know with the Zaflora and the concentrated versions, you have to make them up. Sometimes it's just convenient to have it in a bottle. And yeah, I just absolutely loved the packaging. And it was only 99p. And I feel like that would even look nice just left out on the side. I think they've done well with the packaging there. And then because I feel like we do need a little bit more sparkle in our lives at the moment, I did pick up this Monty face mask. So this was only £1.49. I just thought, you know, it's kind of nice to have a little bit of sparkle, particularly with the weather being so grey, and I just thought it would look nice with any coat, with it being a black background. And of course it's reusable, which is really handy. And I feel like at the moment I just can't have enough face masks. So yeah, for £1.49 I thought let's get another one. I picked up one of these Crackle, Wick, Orchid and Sandalwood candles. This was £3.99, which I actually thought was a really good price because it's really heavy, it's quite big, and it's not it kind of smells a little bit perfumey. I love the wood wicks. I just love the sound of the crackle sound. I do like to have a few cheap candles in the house just because I burn them throughout the day when I'm working at home. It just helps me to feel a little bit calmer, a little bit more serene. And yeah, so that's the reason I picked that one up. But if you do want to up your candle game, let me just show you these. So a really lovely subscriber called Abby runs her own business online, which is absolutely incredible. And she sent me over a few little bits. So she has her own candle. This one is in the scent Peony and Blush Suede. It smells absolutely incredible. That's one of the things I have to admit with cheap candles. You know, they do lose their scent quite quickly, or they're not very powerful. This is one of those like candles that you save for when you're having a nice bath. It's one of those really nice candles, and it has the wood wick in again, so it's going to be nice and crackly. This is £10, which is really reasonable, and I love the label on it. It's very like designer inspired, what all the fancy brands are doing at the moment, so I just thought that was really beautiful. And she also does wax melts as well, and they do so many different scents. They all smell absolutely amazing, and these are only £2.49 each, which is incredible. And they even do bath bits. She was so kind to send me this Snow Fairies exfoliating soap sponge, which to be honest with you, I can't wait to try and scrub all my tan off with it, and also a bath bomb as well. So these just make really fabulous gifts, a really nice kind of self-care package if you're looking to give somebody to cheer them up or to cheer yourself up. So if you want to support a small business, definitely go and check out Village Wax Melts. I'll leave all their details in the description box below. The next item that I picked up from Home Bargains was this amazing Succulent. How gorgeous is that? I just loved the grey and the black detail. I mean, you can see from the backgrounds, like this is just my aesthetic completely. And I couldn't leave this behind. This was £2.99. £2.99, that was it. And I just thought that would look lovely either in our living room or our bathroom. In fact, actually, I might even gift this to my nan, because she has loads of succulents and things, and this would really suit her aesthetic as well. And I just think it's absolutely gorgeous for £2.99. It looks so much more expensive than that. Back onto a few more cleaning products. I did pick up some Flash Bleach. I just feel like this is just a really handy cleaning product to have in. I like cleaning the kitchen sink with bleach. Actually, that is a lie. I usually leave that up to my husband. But I always feel like it feels so much cleaner when it's been done with bleach, and ours is stainless steel, and it just feels like it makes it really shiny. So yeah, pick that up. That was 99p. And then also some of the Pledge multi-surface cleaner, because you know, dusting, not very exciting, but yeah, that was 99p as well. You know what I think? I think like duster brands should come out with like amazing scents like Fabulosa. Like I'd love a cherry blossom polish. That'd be really good. And then you know me, I always pick up Aquafresh from there. This is my favourite. It's the Fresh and Minty. It's the only toothpaste pretty much that doesn't pay my teeth up. And yeah, it's only 99p. They don't always have it in, and that's why I always get it if I see it, just so that we've got a little bit of a stock on. And then I did also pick up some of the Carex Love Hearts. This is the fun edition, and again, I think this was 99p, and it is just an essential right now. I like to have hand sanitizer in my bag, in my car. I have wipes in those as well. I just think it's so important to make sure that you're keeping your hands nice and clean when you are popping out to get your essentials. Also, thank you to the lovely subscriber who told me about how to use, well, how to smell this properly. That sounds really random, but when I first smelled it I was like, oh, that smells horrible, that smells like alcohol, that's awful. But you have to rub it in, and once it's all rubbed in you actually get the scent of the Love Heart, so it's actually really nice. Don't be fooled like me. I did treat myself to some makeup from Home Bargains. I've never tried their Olivia Hale makeup. I have one of their brushes, the blush, no, I have 3 of their brushes. Lying now, I have 3 of their brushes. I have the blusher brush, which is my all-time favourite blusher brush. Definitely recommend that if you're looking for something. I have the big powder brush that I used to use for tanner on my face, but now I'm too lazy to just do it with a mitt. And I also have their highlighter brush, and again, too lazy to put highlighter on, but they were all really good brushes. Never actually tried their makeup products though. I imagine they're just kind of like white label and then they just put it in packaging, but I just love the shades of these. The eyeshadow that I use for videos is like a gold shimmery one, a little bit like the top one from a W7 palette, and I'm literally at the bottom. There's literally just dust there now, there's hardly anything, so I needed to pick up a new palette. And when I saw this one for £1.49, I was like, let me get a bit of that. And I just think the shades are beautiful. So there's a mixture of shimmery and matte shades, and what I like is they have like an orange tone. So if you've got blue eyes, like an orange toned eyeshadow is really going to make your eyes pop. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not great with makeup. I tend to only use one eyeshadow colour because I'm a little bit lazy. No, I don't want to say lazy, but I am a little bit lazy, and I'm not very good at makeup, so I just like to keep it simple. So I'm hoping that these are going to be really nice. In fact, what I'll do is, once I've used them for a few weeks, I'll let you know on my Instagram how I get on, so definitely go and follow me over there if you are on Instagram. And then the next item that I picked up is also another essential, so it's an antibacterial cleansing hand wash, and you also get a softening hand lotion. Just look at the packaging of that. That is really beautiful. It's so simple, and that's what I like about it. It's going to go in any bathroom, any kitchen. And what's really nice is I used to find, well, particularly as kind of we went into lockdowns and stuff, a lot of the nice hand wash isn't antibacterial, but you can see they've upped the game, they've changed, and now even the nice ones are antibacterial as well. And yeah, those are £2.99, and I just feel because we are washing our hands so much, our hands get dry, so you've got both in there, and I just feel like they're perfect to just kind of have downstairs in the kitchen, so it can keep your hands nice and moisturised. And I just love the packaging. I just feel like it looks so much more expensive than £2.99. And on to some foodie bits. I apologise, this is empty because I got in the car and I was just so thirsty. I was so parched, I was so thirsty that I literally just downed it. So this is just some Diet Coke, and it's so much cheaper to get fizzy drinks, the branded fizzy drinks from Home Bargains or Poundland, or do B&M do them? I don't think I've ever bought them from B&M, but definitely Home Bargains and Poundland. This was only 59p, and it's great if, obviously, when we're back to normal, that when you do go shopping, don't just go to like the small supermarkets to nip and get a drink. Definitely head to the bargain stores. Just a few bits. So I picked up this pasta and sauce rich bolognese. You know me, I really like the cheese and broccoli sachet packets, but I just thought this was so handy. Save me microwaving it. You literally just add water to it and leave it for a couple of minutes. Yeah, that's right. And I've never tried the bolognese one, and I have the cheese and broccoli one so much, I've nearly sickened myself with it. Nearly, not quite, but nearly. So I thought I'd try something different. And yeah, they're just so handy to have, because obviously I'm working from home, but I really want a quick lunch, because normally I'm like having lunch and filming, or I'm having lunch and walking the dog, so I need something that's going to be super quick. And then I also picked up some of the Fibre One bars. I feel like these need no explanation. They're just delicious. Obviously they're low calorie. They're a naughty treat, but not too naughty. I think they were £1.50, so really reasonable as well. I've still got a few more like other bits, but I'm going to go through the food, carry on with the food. I got some cream eggs. I love cream eggs. I cannot wait for when these come out. When I was in uni at York, there's a Cadbury shop in one of their shopping centres, and you used to be able to get a huge bag of cream eggs at any time of the year. I miss them days. But these were only 39p each, which, to be honest, I'm surprised they survived. Actually, the only reason that these have survived and you're not seeing an empty packet right now is because they fell out in the car and I hadn't realised until my husband found them. And yes, I am more of a chocolate girl, but I'm still getting them sweet cravings every now and again, like for something really tangy. So these have been opened. If it's food, like you're probably gonna see like a half opened packet or an empty packet. But yeah, these are just the strawberry flavour spaghetti Zings, and these are 79p, and they're just delicious. And to be honest, I think it's literally making my mouth water just seeing them now. I think I'm gonna have to have one of these when I stop filming, because if not, you know, I'm not gonna be able to talk properly. Back on to some other random bits. I picked up these reusable drinking straws. So this is a 4-pack, and they're this lovely rose gold. What I really liked about this is you get the straw cleaner as well. We've got some plastic reusable straws and we don't have a straw cleaner, and oh my gosh, if you've had a smoothie and you don't rinse the straw straight away, it's gross, it's grim, it's really grim. So I'm gonna definitely make sure I rinse my straw and clean them out properly. And these were only £1.49, which I think is really good. I feel like, again, they look a lot more expensive than that, and I really like the eco-friendly packaging they've gone for. Again, I feel like it makes it look a little bit more upmarket. I pick up my daughter some really pretty butterfly hair clips. Her hair is getting so long that it's just going in her eyes now. She's just hit that age, so I picked these up. These are only 99p, and you do get 6 of these in a pack, and they're just so pretty. I have tried her with one already and she does keep pulling it out, so I think she's just gonna have to get used to it. It's so weird. I think it's because she's not seen me wear anything like this, because she's seen me wear a bobble hat, so she'll keep her bobble hat on. So maybe I'm gonna have to walk around with one of these in my head for a day, just so she knows that they stay there and they're not there to play and keep pulling out. And I did also pick up some of this Johnson's baby bath. This is just perfect if you've got babies, because it's no tears, it's not overly bubbly. I just wish it was a little bit more bubbly, but that's probably because it's so gentle. I did make the mistake once of giving her a normal bubble bath because I'd run out, and it just wasn't a good idea because it was getting in her eyes and it was just annoying her. So definitely stick to this if you've got toddlers and they're just not really aware that the bubble shouldn't be going in the eyes. And also last time when I had this one, I bought the one with the pump on the top, and it was just, I thought it was going to be a good idea, but it's just so annoying. It would take about 20 pumps to get enough bubbles out, whereas this one you just kind of squirt in and then you're good to go, and it was only £1.49 as well. And then the final item, and I'm sorry, I wish I would have said something more exciting, but it's this Kill Block plug hole unblocker. Oh, that was a real lie, I couldn't get it out then. And this is just for the bathroom. It says it cleans and freshens. I'm hoping this is gonna be good, because I had a bath the other day and I literally had to wait overnight for it to drain down. Now I really think, no, I don't really think, that's a lie. My husband really thinks that the U-bend needs cleaning out. However, it's the way the bath is positioned, it is so awkward to get to there. To get to the U-bend, it's going to be really difficult to take it off. So I thought maybe if we just try some of this first, hopefully get some of that, you know, gunk out, that this will help. It was only £2. Apparently it's proudly made in Britain as well. So yeah, fingers crossed that this works so that we don't have to like take the bath panel and everything off. That was everything for this haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe if you like content like this, because this is what my channel is all about. If you're over on Instagram, don't forget to go and check me out over there, projectmumyt, and I shall see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.